kids, welcome to VEDV publication. I am Raksha and I'll be your host. Let's explore this world of computers. Exploring the internet. The internet is like a giant library filled with informations and fun activities. It's a network of computers all around the world, connected through cables, satellites and wireless signals. The internet connects millions of computers around the world. Thus, internet is a global network or a worldwide network. Hello young learners. Today we embark on an exciting journey into the world of internet. Welcome to the magical realm of the internet, where knowledge, entertainment and connection awaits. The computer connects to the internet and easily accesses the information available on the computer. So, grab your thinking caps and let's dive in. Uses of internet. The internet is very useful for everyone. It has become a part of our day-to-day life. It makes our life easy and simple. Given below are some of the uses of internet. Firstly, the internet is a vast source of information. It's like having a library at our fingertips. We can search for facts, read articles, and learn about any topic we are curious about. Whether it's homework, research, or simply satisfying our curiosity, the internet is a treasure trove of knowledge. Internet is a gateway to entertainment. We can watch videos on platforms like YouTube, stream movies and TV shows on platforms like Netflix, or listen to our favorite music on streaming services like Spotify. With just a few clicks, we can enjoy a wide range of entertainment options: YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, etc. The internet also allows us to connect with people from all around the globe. We can chat with friends, with family through messaging apps, share photos and videos on social media platforms, or even video call loved ones who are far away. The internet bridges distances and brings people close together. Social media apps. Furthermore, the internet offers convenient online shopping. We can browse through a variety of products, compare prices, and make purchases from the comfort of our homes. From clothing and books to gadgets and toys, almost anything can be bought online with just a few clicks. Amazon and Flipkart. Lastly, the internet is a platform for creativity and self-expression. We can create our own websites, start blogs or vlogs, share artworks, or even write stories. The internet provides a global stage for us to showcase our talent and connect with like-minded individuals through blogs and blogs. Requirement for an internet connection. Have you ever wondered what it takes to connect to the internet? Well, let's find out. To establish an internet connection, you will need few essential components. Let's explore them one by one. Device. First and foremost, you need a device to access the internet. It can be a computer, laptop, tablet, or a smartphone. These devices have the necessary hardware and software to connect to the internet and browse the web. Internet Service Provider (ISP). An ISP is a company that provides you with access to the internet. They offer different types of connections such as DSL, cable, fiber optic or wireless. You will need to subscribe to an ISP and pay for their services to get online. Modem or router. A modem or router is a device that connects your device to the internet. It receives the internet signal from your ISP and allows you to access wirelessly or through a wired connection. Some ISP provide a combination of modem and router in a single device. Internet connection type. There are different types of internet connections available depending on your location and services provided by your ISP. Common types include DSL, Digital Subscriber Line, This connection uses telephone lines to transmit data. Cable. Cable internet utilizes the same coaxial cable used for cable TV connections. Fiber optic. Fiber optic connections use thin strands of glass or plastic to transmit data through light signals, offering high speed. Wireless. Wireless connection uses signals from cellular networks or Wi-Fi hotspots to create connection from your device to the internet. Network credentials. Some ISP provide a username and password that you will need to enter when setting up your connection of the internet. These credentials authenticate your access to the network. Internet terms. Understanding terms of internet is like learning new language. Once you do it, the web becomes even more fascinating. Let's explore some common terms you will come across while you are exploring this internet. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages that are hosted on a web server. It's like a virtual place where information, images, video and other content are organized and made available for the visitors to access. Websites can be educational, entertaining or used for various purposes. Web page. A web page is a single document that forms a part of the website. It's what you see when you visit a specific URL, Uniform Resource Locator on the internet. Web pages can contain text, images, videos, links, and other interactive elements. World Wide Web. WWW. World Wide Web, often referred to WWW, is a system of interconnected documents and other resources linked by the hyperlinks. It's a global network of information accessible through the internet. The WWW is what makes it possible to browse and navigate websites using web browsers. Web browser. A web browser is a software application that allows you to access and view websites on the internet. Popular web browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. Web browsers interpret HTML, hypertext markup language code, and display web pages with text, images, and multimedia elements. URL. Uniform Resource Locator. A URL is the address used to locate a specific web page or resource on the internet. Typically starts with HTTP or HTTPS and is followed by the domain name, example www.com, and additional path information. Hyperlink. A hyperlink, often called a link, is a clickable element on a web page that redirects you to another web page, document or resource. Clicking on a hyperlink allows you to navigate between different web pages or websites, helping you explore related content. Search engine. A search engine is a web-based tool that allows you to search for information on the internet. Examples of popular search engines include Google, Bing, and Yahoo. By typing in the keywords or phrases, search engines retrieve relevant web pages and display them in search results. Download. To download means to transfer files or data from the internet to your device. You can download various files like documents, images, videos, softwares, and more, either by clicking on a download link or using a dedicated download manager. Open a website. Are you ready to embark on a website opening adventure? Let's get started with these simple steps. Turn on your device. Ensure your computer, laptop, tablet or smartphone is powered on and ready for the action. Press the power button and patiently wait for it to start up. Connect to the internet. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Connect to a Wi-Fi network or plug in an Ethernet cable if required. Check the Wi-Fi icon on your device screen to confirm the connection. Launch your web browser. Locate the web browser icon on your device. Popular web browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. Click on the icon to open the web browser. Enter the website address URL in the address bar at the top of the web browser window. Type in the website's URL, Uniform Resource Locator, for example www.example.com. Double check the spelling and make sure you have entered the correct address. Please enter or go. You have once entered the website address. Press the enter key on your keyboard or tap the go button on your device screen. The web browser will initiate a request to access the website. Wait for the website to load. Be patient while the web browser connects to the website server and fetches the requested web pages. The loading time can vary depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the website. Explore the website. Once the website has loaded, you can start exploring its content. Navigate through the website by clicking on links, buttons, or menus. Scroll up and down to read the text, view images, watch videos, and interact with any interactive elements. Conclusion. We have embarked on a thrilling journey through the vast realm of the internet. We started by unraveling the wonders of the internet, understanding its uses and exploring common terms that make up its language. We learned how the internet connects us to a world of knowledge, entertainment, and connection. By understanding the requirements of an internet connection, we can navigate the digital landscape with confidence. We also discovered how to open websites and immerse ourselves in boundless possibilities they offer. Armed with this knowledge, we can now surf the web responsibly, explore, learn, create incredible experiences in the ever-expanding digital universe. Keep shining and embracing the power of internet. Until next time, take care, keep shining, goodbye, see you in the next chapter.